Okay, from your Khan Academy work earlier in the week, I'm hoping you're now familiar with how to graph an inequality. And so now today we're going to look at graphing systems of inequalities, where you have more than one inequality going on at the same time. Okay, and so a real-life example that's probably pretty easy to understand is this. If you've ever been to an amusement park, okay, you might have seen something like this. In order to ride a roller coaster, you must be at least 12 years old, and you must also be at least 5 feet tall. Okay, so if we think of, on a graph, what's going on here, we're measuring two things. Okay, we're measuring age, and we're measuring height. Okay, those are the two requirements for whether or not you can ride this roller coaster or not. In terms of age, you must be 12 years old or above. Okay, so the people who are allowed to ride this roller coaster is everybody to the right of this line. Okay, so everybody who's 12 and 13 and 14, etc. Okay, anybody who's 11 or 10 or 9, they cannot ride the roller coaster. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of highlight this area here. Okay. So all the people, I'm not going to fill it in, but all the people on that side are allowed to ride the roller coaster. All the people on this side, not allowed to ride the roller coaster. But that's not the only requirement. Okay, the other requirement is that you be a certain height, that you be at least 5 feet tall, 5 feet tall or more. Okay, so if we look at the height, okay, it is an additional requirement, and so I'm going to do that, I guess, in green. Okay, so everybody who is above the green, above this line here, okay, is allowed to go on the roller coaster. And so a system of inequalities is the area that overlaps. Okay, anybody who is in this quadrant is allowed to go on the roller coaster. Okay, so these people are allowed. Okay, because they are more than 12 years old and they are taller than 5 feet. Okay, if you have 5 feet or taller. Okay, so these people down here, okay, they are old enough, but they are too short. Okay, this might be me, those of you who know me. Okay, these people, okay, they are very tall. Okay, they're over 5 feet tall, but they are too young. So they are not allowed to go on the roller coaster. Okay, and then these people, they're really, definitely not going on this roller coaster because they are too short. Okay, and they are too young. Okay, so anybody who is in this category right here is in the solution area. Okay, so I'm going to do that, I guess, in pink. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm going to do it in green, sorry. Try that again. Okay, so I'm going to do that in pink here. So these people are allowed on the roller coaster. These people are not. Okay, so this is basically how you are going to graph a system of inequalities. You're going to graph your two lines. You're going to shade on one side or the other depending on the requirements, and it's the overlap area that is the solution area. Okay, so this, I'll change this back to blue. Okay, this is the solution area. Okay, anything that is in that area is a solution. Anything that's not, even if it's in the green area or the yellow area, is not a solution.